Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook posts on different niches. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can also sell this service offline market. And you can go to google.com and search websites according to your niche and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence and you can maintain their Facebook presence, so they will surely hire you. So in this video I will teach you about how you can create Facebook post on tech niche in Canva. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about Canva is a graphic designing software tool available online, and you can edit videos, everything you can edit in Canva. So um, if you want to completely know about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete course on Canva designing course, and after watching the course you would know everything about Canva, so must check out the course. So let's get started. I search Facebook post. I choose square. And here I search tech. I like this one. This is very this is a good template, but I want to change the photo, so I search here like tech, and it gives me different photos. So I like this one. Yeah, it's good. I want to change the background color too, so I click on this and replace background. Yeah, it's good. This is looking great. After that, go to elements, and here I search tech. So it look good. After that, you can also change the website. I think www.tech.com. It is a just like dummy website. You can put the things or details according to your client's requirement. So I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.